Kate Mila Falcha, I'm that Irish girl, and today we are replacing a blower motor in a 2012 CX-9. Things first, we'll do the diag, turn on the ignition, fan on high, front one doesn't work, doesn't activate, it's supposed to be on. You've got it here in the rear, this one works. So this is a dual setup, it's got front and rear. There's one here under the passenger side glove box which we're going to be replacing, and there's a second one which blows out here, and I believe it's in the back seat somewhere. I'm not sure where the second one is. So you remove the glove box, open it, and you're going to push in both sides at the same time. So you're going to need two hands and pull it down, and the door is just stuck on a little bar, and you just pull it towards yourself and it should unhook. Collect anything that was in the glove, put it away. It's built in here. This has to come forward. Clips right out. Leave them off to the side. So, take off this main one. Two pins, power and an earth. That's all you need. Okay, you look underneath, you're going to have one screw. It's a 8, I believe, flathead, or a star, probably a T25 or something like that. Right there, as you can see. That's what we're going to remove. This one, this one, this one. Always compare the two. Old one, new one. Guramila Magat, thank you for watching, and if you want to see any more, please like and subscribe. For those of you who want to stay around and see what actually went wrong with the old one and how it broke, I'm going to take off the still black cover. It's just Phillips head screw. Now, instead of boring you, I fought with this cover for about 20 minutes trying to separate the plastic bit from the motor on the inside. This is the motor after I removed the plastic cover. This is the reason why this one failed. and you can clearly see why it's not working. It's full of rust. That's the cover that I slid it out of where our screw was. 2 connections. You can see here on the outside when you look down into it is the permanent magnets, and on the inside is your copper coil. So this is where your current is generated for the motor. Here are the springs. We're going to hold the brushes in. These brushes actually make contact with the commutator, and these are pieces that transmit the current to the motor. So the brushes connect to the commutator, which rotates, which eventually wears them down. They're actually only made of the same stuff as a pencil lead. They're just carbon. And you can see I dug this piece out with a little screwdriver because I couldn't get it out any otherwise. I couldn't separate the motor any further. I'll attach a picture now so you can see a breakdown. This is the simple operation of any motor. Your starter motor is going to be something similar, as is your alternator. Obviously, a starter motor and a blower motor have completely different functions, but the principle of a brush motor are all the same, and visually this is just an easy way to get your head around it. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and if there's any videos that you want to do or you want me to do a how-to video, please write in the comments and I'll do my best to accommodate. Gur míle magat, slán go fóill.